Click on the Job Commander icon and sign in. You are presented with the Admin Module Search for a Job screen. In the Search Customer field, enter the first few letters of the name of the customer you are searching for. Selecting All in the Search Status field will show existing and completed jobs for customers who meet the search criteria. Highlight the contact for the job that you want to copy. Click on the Copy Selected Job button at the bottom of the screen. If the previous job contained components, then you will get an option to include or not include those components in this new job. On this occasion, we're selecting Yes. The new job will open at the customer screen. Check or modify any of the fields. Go to the Components screen by clicking the icon in the panel on the left-hand side of the screen. Add any additional materials or work centres to the existing job. If you do not know the details of the part, you can search via the Inventory search or the Component search. This job is now ready for scheduling. Go to the Project screen and select your name from the drop-down window. Enter the authorised date and expect to start and finish. This job will now be visible in the Workshop Management module. In the Workshop Management module, click on the tick box for the job in the bottom matrix just to the left of the job number, and that job will now be visible in the data capture screen. At this point, print the job sheet. As you can see, there are many options for the job sheet. Clicking Print Preview will allow you to view the job sheet before sending it to the printer. This is the end of this training video.